Hey! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select while using the app, choose Allow, and swipe up. Then you need to select Home button and click on iOS Launcher over here. Then choose Remember My Choice, click on iOS Launcher one more time and select Got It. As you can see, after that, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, here, then scrolling down and clicking on Apps section. Now click on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, click on Default Apps and finally click on Launcher. You can go back into your default one by tapping on POCO One and choosing Home button. If you wish to apply iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!